The ACDelco Gold professional, automatic transmission filter is an exceptional aftermarket solution designed to deliver outstanding filtration efficiency and fluid flow to your vehicle's transmission. Constructed with felt filter media, this filter effectively captures harmful abrasive particles like metal shavings and debris that can cause damage to internal components of the transmission. By preventing these contaminants from entering and blocking fluid flow, the filter helps ensure smooth operation and protects your vehicle's transmission system for longer-lasting performance. Engineered to meet or exceed the specifications for fit, form, and function, the ACDelco Gold filter is a reliable and cost-effective alternative to original equipment parts, making it an ideal choice for General Motors vehicles and most makes and models. The filter comes with a gasket that fits perfectly with a 700R4 transmission pan, ensuring a hassle-free installation experience. ACDelco, a trusted brand, has designed this filter to provide superior durability, performance, and reliability, backed by decades of automotive experience. Choose the ACDelco Gold automatic transmission filter for optimal transmission protection and improved vehicle performance. If you're looking for a premium replacement part that meets or exceeds original specifications, click the link in the description to purchase the ACDelco Gold automatic transmission filter today and keep your vehicle running at its best.